Hi, students. I wanted to show you how to get in and get access to your McGraw-Hill Inspire Science textbook. This will give you digital access to your textbook. And in a few weeks, we're going to have this integrated into Canvas, so you won't be using this anymore. But if in the meantime you don't have a textbook or you're on the go and you want to get your work done, this will give you access to your science curriculum. So the code you're going to use is capital CA, capital I, NSPIRE, capital S, capital E. And so that's like California is capitalized, and then the first letter of Inspire is capitalized, and then SE, standing for Student Edition, is capitalized. The password is the same exact thing, but also the number 1. I put an exclamation point. It's the number 1. So that's the password, CA Inspire SE1, and use the same capitals, okay? But the username is without the 1. Then you're going to hit login. And once you log in, you're going to go to the course. If you're in biology, hit the green launch. And if you're in the earth science, hit the orange launch button. So I'm just going to demo the earth science. And what I want you to do from here is you're going to go to course. And here, you're going to see the first chapter of Intro to Earth Science. You can collapse all or expand all here, but here are all the learning resources. Now, you do not need to go through all of these at all, but these are all the things available to you as a student. What you want here is the student edition. This student edition is really like a PDF of the book. So it's going to show like videos and things like that, or links like go online. Those won't work because this is a PDF. In other words, it's like a printed copy, but on the website. So what I'm saying is these types of links won't work. This video doesn't click because this is just like an uploaded paper copy of the book. Okay. However, it has your whole chapter here. And you can go through the whole chapter that I lectured on, and I made a video that I sent out. That is all available to you. And as you go through it, there are the same end of the chapter questions that you can go through. As you go through it, there's section 2 of that first chapter. And down here is, this was a long section. Down here is the end of the chapter, end of the section questions that we worked on. Here was a mapping activity. Oh no, this was another mapping part of the chapter and questions about that. And then the end of the chapter, like wrap up. So I'm going to X out of that. Now, that was only chapter 1. If you wanted to see more than that, that was chapter 1. So I went to module 1, Introduction to Earth Science, and that took me to the student edition for the whole chapter. And again, collapse all or expand all, it will be right there. If I want to go to, like, for instance, Unit 1, Composition of the Earth, then I'm going to have to change that. Okay, and again, expand all the resources will show me everything it has there for that. Okay, the dashboard is similar to this. You find the course, like module 1, Introduction, to earth science, and everything is going to be here. If you wanted to see some videos of this, that would be like videos or STEM connections. Those types of things are down here. So let me go into the bio and show you that one. And on the bio, I'm going to launch it. I'm sorry, this is taking a while. On this, I'm going to start in my course. But for course, the module 1 study of life, it's all right here. Here's the student edition for biology. And again, you can see the whole chapter and the questions, and the links are not clickable. But in the beginning of the chapter, for instance, there was like this video, and on here it's not clickable, right? Because it's like a paper copy of the book. But if I wanted to see that video, here is where I can see the actual video about spiders. And it is a really cool video. It's talking about giant sea spiders, which is awesome to me. Maybe not to you. Maybe that's your worst nightmare, but I think it's cool. So the video is here. All right. I'm going to end that, and I hope this solves some problems for some of you guys and makes studying on the go good for work better for you. So this will be replaced in about a week or two. We will actually be able to fully access this from Canvas. And so when we do that, this will be replaced. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.